Okay, so this video is going to show how to reset the ChoiceWash XT from different scenarios. The first scenario you're going to run through is just a basic reset where the CP0 shows that the gantry is not ready and the stoplights on the gantry are on steady. In order to reset it from this condition, we need to either right arrow or left arrow to get the icon that looks like an L. Press the F3 button to highlight the L and then hit OK. The gantry will honk at you 3 times and then start moving to reset itself. The display on the gantry will now say select wash or system ready, indicating that the car wash is ready to wash a car.